Today we begin with Module 3 Partial Differential Equation. First we study some of the definitions related to partial differential equation. An equation involving one or more partial derivative of a function of two or more variables is called partial differential equation. Observe that here certain examples are written. Equation means it should be equated to 0 involving one or more partial derivative. Here two partial derivatives are there of a function of two independent variable. In this equation z is dependent, x and y are independent variable. So an equation involving one or more partial derivatives of a function z with respect to more than one independent variable is called as partial differential equation. The order of the partial differential equation and degree of the partial differential equation is same as how we studied it in ordinary differential equation. The highest derivative of the partial differential equation is an order. The number of time occurred that highest derivative is the degree of the partial differential equation. Here we will check it out that for the given examples. Here the highest derivative is 1 and the number of time the highest derivative occurred is also 1. So order is 1 and degree is also 1. For this example, order is 2 and degree is 1. And here highest derivative is 2. So order of the partial differential equation is 2. And how many times it is occurred? 1 time it is occurred. So degree is 1. In this example also, the highest derivative is 2. So order is 2. And how many times that highest derivative occurred? It is power of that is 1. So degree is 1. Since all these examples is of degree 1, hence such partial differential equations are called as linear partial differential equations. And in that two types of partial differential equations we come across called as homogeneous and non-homogeneous. In ordinary differential equation, if right hand side of the differential equation is 0, we used to call it as homogeneous. If right hand side of the differential equation is non-zero, then we used to call it as non-homogeneous differential equation. But the concept in partial differential equation for homogeneous and non-homogeneous is different. How it will be defined? It is defined as equation, partial differential equation, a dependent variable containing only one independent variable, then such differential equation is of homogeneous partial differential equation. If an independent variable contains a partial derivative with respect to both the independent variable, then such differential equation is called as non-homogeneous differential equation. So in this example, first, third and fourth are of homogeneous partial differential equation. Second one is non-homogeneous partial differential equation. Okay. Now we study some basic notations related to partial differential equation. If we take z as a dependent variable function of two independent variable x and y, the partial derivative, how we denote, we have learnt it in the last semester in the chapter partial derivatives. How we denote it as notation dou z by dou x, and we can also denote it as z suffix x. So here in this module, while finding the solution and formation of partial differential equation. Along with this notation, we also denote it as P. This notation also used. So three different notations for partial derivative of z with respect to x. Similarly, partial derivative of z with respect to y, we denote it as q. Partial derivative of z with respect to x twice is denoted as r. Partial derivative of z with respect to x and y is denoted as s, and partial derivative of z with respect to y twice is denoted as t. So these are the some standard notations what we are going to study it in this module while forming a partial differential equation and finding the solution of partial differential equation.